Hi everybody, Zev Braun here with Dominic Fontaine Associates, and I want to tell you about 2979 Cloverhurst. It's Canton, Ohio 44721, and this is Plain Township, Plain Local School District. So this awesome colonial, so nearly 3,000 square feet above grade finished living space, and then an additional over 700 of lower level rec space in the basement. Great for entertaining, hanging out, whether you have a family, just like to have a good space to enjoy. I want to take you inside and check this place out. So you have a open concept kitchen, living room, dining room, all really nice space together with an island overlooking a spacious backyard that has a wrought iron fence, composite deck that's perfect for this time of year, hanging out, grilling out, having a good time with the friends and family. As you go downstairs, you got an awesome rec space with a bar area. Maybe you like watching football games, hanging out. It's a really good space. And then to top it off, in addition to having a 3-car garage, actually, this community in Saratoga Hills has a community pool. So it has a clubhouse, community pool. It's included in the HOA, so it's a really awesome spot to go down. Enjoy some of these nice warm days, cool off a little bit, and you can rent the clubhouse for maybe activities, birthday parties, all the good stuff. So if you want to learn a little bit more, check this place out. Call me, text me, 330-933-3258. Thanks.